Sick of switching between vendors in your WordPress dashboard? Meet FlexStock's most requested feature, Multivendor Sync. Now, you and your vendors can manage products easily through Google Sheets. Ready for a quick demo? First, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and then select Add New. In the search bar, type FlexStock, and once it appears, go ahead and install and activate the plugin. To use the Multivendor Add-on features, you'll also need to install Multivendor Add-on for FlexStock plugin separately. Without that, these features won't work. FlexStock Multivendor works with all multivendor platform. For this video, we've used WCFM Multivendor. Now go to FlexStock, then Add-on. You'll need to enter your license key to activate the Multivendor Add-on. Next, navigate to Marketplace, then sync Google Sheet. If you're using the free version, you can sync up to 100 products. But if you upgrade to the Pro version, you'll get unlimited product sync in real time. Click on View Products on Google Sheets. This will show you all the products synced so far. Now let's see how it works for vendors. A new vendor can go to your website, click on Vendor Registration, and create an account. After signing up, they'll be taken to their own vendor dashboard. And if they want to sync their products with Google Sheets in real time, they just need to go to Sync Google Sheet. Before syncing for the first time, they'll need to set up their sheet. You can check the tutorial linked above for help with that setup. Once the sheet is connected, click Sync on Google Sheets, and that's it. Their products will now appear in the sheet. And after connecting the sheet, they can create their products straight from Google Sheets. To check this from the admin side, go back to your WordPress dashboard and click on Products. You'll be able to see that the newly registered vendors' products are already listed there. Multivendor site admins can view all vendors' products with their shop names directly from the WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.